Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video will be our stay at the Centurion Grand Hotel Kobe. Just outside the hotel is a Family Mart variety store, and beside the hotel I think this is a casino. It's just a 5-10 minute walk from Kobe train station. So up on my right just ahead, we're coming to the front entrance of the hotel. Just be aware when visiting Japan, the main lobby isn't always by the front entrance.
Centurion Hotel Grand, Kobe Station, going there.
So it's only 11:30 a.m. and check-in time is 3 p.m. So it's great here. They'll take care of our luggage while we go explore the city of Kobe.
Front desk, second floor. Push 2.
I guess they know what the capacity is.
Why?
The door closed.
Did it?
You shut it.
I ain't shut it.
So check-in was easy and they understand English. So when visiting Japan, you'll find that the hotel rooms are a lot smaller compared to North America. And that's same with the beds. In North America, you could fit 2 people in a double bed, but here it'll be a tight fit.
That room 714. My luggage is already in the room.
So before coming, I was thinking that 2 of us could fit in a 1 double bed. But our friend came a few months before us and they said don't do it. They told us to get a bed each because they're pretty small. Especially if you've been out all day walking around, you're tired, you want a good night's sleep. So we're glad that we took their advice and got a bed each.
We're there for 3 nights. Three beds.
This one looks bigger.
Yeah. Roomy. Not small. Oh, we got another bathtub. Big washroom. It's not small.
Saw a lot of videos on YouTube with the washroom in Japan being small in the hotel room. So this one's a good size.
Nice size washroom.
Yes, the pants are off.
Not small. Bumble. Small fridge. Really small fridge. How about the view? No view. View of a wall. Building next door.
So this room's pretty big where you can walk around. And I saw videos on YouTube where you can't even open your suitcase.
Speakers. This is a good size room. And you don't get many hangers in this room.
I thought this was different. They have a drain on the outside of the bathtub. I found this was common in hotels in Japan, whereas in North America they don't usually have that. And I love the heated toilet seats in Japan. You don't see them very often in North America. So we like this hotel, and if we ever came back to Kobe, we would stay here again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video.